Hello, I'm Laurel Guide today and I have such a nice surprise. We are visiting 5 Woodland Place. This is an up and down duplex in Fall Creek, hiding in plain sight on a tiny little lane that just has 2 houses on it. Can you imagine? Plus this deep yard, private fenced yard. When do you ever see this in this neighborhood? On the main level is 3 bedrooms and 1 bath. Second floor has a 1 bedroom, 1 bath. This duplex in Fall Creek is ideal for owner occupied or investment. Main level apartment 1, surprisingly spacious, has an enclosed porch, a large living room with hardwood floors, a fireplace, a family room that can also be a bedroom, a dining room with a bay window, eat-in kitchen with granite counters, and a main level laundry. Apartment 2 on the second floor has a separate entrance. It's almost 600 square feet with open living and dining. Off the open living dining area is a small kitchen that opens to a second floor balcony, which gives you some outdoor living space and breathing room. This tucked away Fall Creek duplex, 5 Woodland Place, has so much potential and is such a great value.